Namaste, friends. This is Nash. I hope you're doing well. I want to thank you for the opportunity you're giving me to serve you through this channel. I created this channel just for you. So whether this is your first time or you've been following me for the past 2 months since I created it, I'm very, very grateful that you're here and that you're making me part of your yoga journey. I would like to make an announcement that in the month of October, I'm going to be posting every single day. I will be posting a combination of yoga flows here in El Paso, Texas, by the mountains, and in Tucson and Colorado. So I'm very excited about those trips, along with yoga tutorials. They're going to be very descriptive and very short. I will be going over the most common yoga poses. I will give you the benefits of the pose, the proper alignment, and how to make modifications to make your practice easier or harder depending on your level of flexibility. So please join me in this yoga journey for 31 days in October. Namaste, friends.